Welcome to the icy Arctic world. Look, the polar bear walks on the ice with its big soft paws. Penguin. Here comes the penguin, sliding happily on the snow. Arctic fox. The fluffy Arctic fox curls up to stay warm in the snow. Seal. Clap, clap. The seal loves to rest on the ice.
Walrus.
Wow, the walrus has huge tusks and loves to lie in the cold.
Snowy owl flies high with shining yellow eyes.
Reindeer.
The reindeer walks proudly through the snowy land.
Narwhal.
Look at the narwhal, it's called the unicorn of the sea.
Musk ox. The musk ox has thick fur to keep it warm in the snow.
Arctic hare.
Hop, hop. The Arctic hare jumps quickly on the snow. Puffin the puffing stands on the icy cliff with its bright orange beak. Beluga whale, the beluga whale swims with a big smile under the icy water. Lemming, the tiny lemming, nibbles grass peeking out of the snow.
Orca, killer whale.
Splash, the orca jumps high out of the icy ocean.
Arctic wolf.
The Arctic wolf howls gently under the snowy sky.
These are Arctic friends, strong, cute, and ready for the cold.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Let's meet our awesome pet friends. Cat meow meow, soft little paws walking gently. Dog woof woof, running fast and wagging its tail. Turtle splash splash, slowly gliding in the water. Rabbit hop hop, hopping high on the green meadow. Horse neigh neigh, galloping freely across the field. Fish and blub blub, swimming smoothly in its bowl. Pigeon coo coo, flying over the rooftops. Hamster heat squeak, tiny paws moving quickly. Duck quack quack, splashing playfully in the pond. Guinea pig squeak, nibbling on fresh veggies. Cow moo moo, walking calmly in the sunny farm. Bird hello hello, talking smart and colorful. Goat ba ba, jumping around on the rocks. Dove coo coo, flying peacefully in the sky. Sheep ba ba, grazing softly in the green field. Wow! These are our lovely pet animals. Which one do you like the most?